Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking earbuds. It is done by a company called Dudios and it is modeled Tech, T-I-C. It's a beautiful little, again very responsive earbuds. I want to mention that it is touch sensitive and each one could be used by itself and you do not need to pair them together in order to make it work. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family and make sure you click the notification icon. This way you will be notified once we have a new video up. Plus, make sure you click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly for you. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We'll have to help you out ASAP. Already you can see that the box is really nicely designed. Going around it doesn't have much markings, but once we open it, it comes with a little black box, and inside of it, once you open it, and inside of it, you will find the little extra ear tips. So this way, if it runs out or it gets old, you can replace it. It also comes with a little USB 2.0 to micro USB connector. So this way, you will be able to charge your docking station. It also comes with the user guide. And the user guide or user manual, it has a lot of different languages, but it has a lot of information inside of it, or how you're going to be able to use it. And also if you need more help, how you're going to get some help from their official website. Alright, so here you go. This is how the docking station look. You have a nice looking writing right on top of it that says Dudios. And then going to the front part of it, you have the little alot so you can open it. And we will get there in a few seconds, but let's go around it. There's nothing here. But going to the back part of it is the micro USB connector so you can charge it. Going on the other side of it, there's nothing there. Going on the bottom has no writings in it. The writing is actually hidden right here inside of the lid, which is perfect. And this way it is going to be all nice and clean all the way around. Now going inside of it is you're going to see the actual earbuds. It is connected by a magnet. And there's the two connectors, so that way it will be charged. Now, both of them are the same. You have to take it out. Comes out really easily, and the inside of it looks really nice. So according to what we know, the docking station itself able to charge this about 8 times once these run out fully out of charge. Till now that I have tested, I only ran out about twice. And this I didn't charge yet, so I'm keep putting it back in order to use it. So the headphones itself is really set up nicely. You can see that it has markings all the way around it. There says right, and then you have the little charging parts are right there. You do have a little sensor, the earbuds so that we can sit inside of your ear. And then going on the back part of it, there's nothing here, but this is where you're going to be able to control it by just tapping a few times. And going on the side of it, it has the name nicely written, as you can see it right here. And then right now it is set up for the pairing mode. We will pair in a few seconds. But going on the bottom part of it is there's a little hole right there. That is where the mic is set up. Best part, I really like it. This really works just like the Apple EarPods. These will work individually. You do not have to pair it together. As soon as you take out one, it will work right away. So if this one runs out of the charge, if you want to use it for talking on your phone, you can put this back in the docking station and take this one and put it on your left ear, so this way it will work. Now the same thing on this one. You can see the writing is there, the charging parts there, the headphones, and also the little sensor. And going on the bottom part of it, you will see the mic right there, so it's set up. And by the way, the sound on this is not bad. I have to mention that if I want to put something like a classical music, this will not do the job for me. But if I have something like hip-hop music to this, or anything that is really hip right now, this will really work. But something like old type of music that it has nice jazz to it and everything, I didn't really find that really boom sound out of this. But again, except that it really works really good. I really like this. I'm going to pair it in a few seconds. I will show you exactly how to pair it. Alright, so it's time to pair this. In order to do that, make sure that your phone is on. And in this case, I'm using my Digi S2 Pro. And I just have to scroll down from the top. I will have to go to my Bluetooth. And there you go. So now when it comes out, I can take any of them out in order to pair it. So let's grab this one and let's close it. So you can see that right now it is blinking and it is right now looking for the name for it to come up. And there you go. The first one that comes up is called tick. We will select it. And as soon as it is going to be paired, you will see this light going to be solid. So it still says pairing. And once, there you go, it says connecting. And there you go, now it is connected. So this is the best part. Now, let's test it to see if it is going to disconnect itself as soon as we put it back in a docking station or not. You see that? It disconnected. Now, if I have to connect the other one, I just have to grab it. And right now it is trying to find itself here. And did you see that it already know that this one is the left one? So if I flip it, and you will be able to see the name written right underneath of it that says this is the left one. So it already knows that I am just using the left one. So in a word, it is called master. So any of them is going to be master. Now, if you pick up both of them together, you do not have to pair both of them together. So if I'm grabbing both of them right now, and we're going to hold both of them, I do not have to pair both of them together. So it is just going to work as I'm taking it out. So now let's go through and try to play something, and let's play with it to see exactly how this is going to work. And there you go. Now I'm just going to flip the screen so that way we can see it really big. And now when I tap twice, it stops. Did you see that? How effective that is. There you go. Did you see that? How easy it is to just tap twice and it start playing it for you. As long as you do it properly, it will stop. Now this is really cool while you're walking and you want to pick up a call or you want to hang up a call. Same thing. You just have to do the gesture. Just have to press it twice. It will pick up or it will hang up. That's the best part. If you guys do want to purchase one of these, links will be available in the bottom. Except that, make sure you click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.